So it's been raining for 3-4 days straight. I planned a cooking video for you indoors. Today is nice and sunny. We get to indoor cook today. Hey folks, welcome back. My name's Ken Rogers and we're indoors today. This week I'm taking a look at the buffalo chicken wrap. This video was inspired by a cook I seen by Laura in the kitchen. She doesn't need my help, but I'm gonna tag her anyway right up here. She did a buffalo chicken sandwich a while back and I made it. Tasted great. But I'm gonna mix it up today. We're doing it as a wrap. I'm gonna cut up some chicken, we're gonna marinate it, we're gonna fry up the chicken and make an awesome sandwich. Let's take a look at it. Okay, I've got about 2 pounds. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast. It's cut real thin. I got it at the supermarket just like that. I'm gonna take these and just cut them in strips, just so we can fry them up here after a while. Place them in the bowl. Notice I'm not making them real thin. I want them to lay in our wrap pretty good, and they will draw down a little bit. Got a little bit more fat than I want. I'm just going to take it out. All right, chicken's all cut up. I'm just adding buttermilk just to cover it all. Don't need a whole lot, just for a little added heat to the marinade. I'm doing some Weber kicking chicken seasoning. Just a little sea salt, a little fresh cracked black pepper. Now we get nasty with our hands, get it all mixed up. Cover it up. This goes in the fridge for about 3-4 hours. We're gonna let it marinate until dinner time. No, really, I'm gonna wait right here till dinner time. Just let it wait. Y'all join me. Alright guys, for our batter, same concept as with our buttermilk mix. Just using some Weber kicking chicken. Just to season our flour up. That's just all-purpose. That's just all-purpose flour. And some of that. Not a whole lot. Just a little salt. And just sea salt. Black pepper. Get all that mixed together. Might add just a little bit more of that kicking chicken. Very simple. We're just gonna start dredging it, getting it all ready for the grease. As the Fritzster would say, away from you. Y'all know Fritz, don't you? Y'all check him out right up here. Halfway, give these a turn. Looking pretty. pull this first couple off here. Get some more on. I don't know if you can see that. Nice and golden brown. I like it. Alright guys, I'm going to cook on 2 of these and I'll get back to you when we're done. And at last, check it out guys. Let's make us a buffalo chicken wrap. Alright, let's get this going. First on the base, a little ranch dressing. Couple pieces of chicken. Come on here. Did you guys know that Sweet Baby Ray's made buffalo sauce? Check it out. I got excited when I seen that. Because at the last minute my wife suggested this. Some jalapeno, the freshest jalapeno chips. I'm gonna throw a few on here. Few tomatoes. And some shredded lettuce. Fold that over. As usual, I make them too big. Let's give this a taste. Here we go. I'll tell you what, chicken had just enough kick, didn't put too much in it. My family's already ate and not a one complained about the taste. So buffalo sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's, that's a mild buffalo sauce. It's really good. So, and wow, I gotta even taste that little jalapeno. I got lucky and got a bite of that. So definitely make this. It's kind of my version. I'm gonna put at the end here, I'm gonna put a link to Laura in the Kitchen. I'm sure most of you are probably already subscribers to her. If not, check her out. She's got millions of subscribers, got a great show. And like again, I said my little channel, she doesn't need my help, but I'm gonna plug her anyway because that's a great sandwich she made. So folks, thanks so much. I'm glad you're tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button, share it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. We need all the help we can get right now. So folks, God love you. We will see you on the next one.